Hello and welcome back. Today we will be showing you how to apply a full set of strong, long-lasting nail tips. Later, you can build upon them, add colors, designs, and artwork by tapping into your creative side. Remember, every great service starts with properly cleaned and sanitized tools. We first want to sanitize our clients' hands. While their hands are drying, we're going to size up our clients' tips. We want the tips to reach from sidewall to sidewall. Perfect fit! Let's start gently pushing back the cuticles. Dust off. Let's start filing. Once we've shaped the nail, we want to start buffing lightly. Always buff lightly. You can save the workout for the gym. Let's dust off the nails. Make sure you dust underneath as well. Now let's apply Sealer Dry on just the tip of the nail. We now want to fill our nail tips with glue, just where the seam of the tip will overlap the natural nail. When applying, set on the edge and roll it forward. Once the tips are secured on the hand, we can come back in and trim them down to our client's desired length. Let's begin filing our tips down. We want to go down the sidewall and flatten down the edges. We're going to take this opportunity to shape our client's nails. We're going to start off with natural set. For this process, please use your S&S French tip mold. We want to turn our brush sideways and apply our gel-less base across the seam. Now we sprinkle in our product and fill in the tiny section. Now we'll go ahead and apply a second layer of gel-less base and repeat the exact same process. We want to avoid going over the same exact spot twice because we don't want to make the nails too bulky. Lightly dust off any powder. Now we're going to apply our gel-less base with a slight modification. We're going to drop the excess on the base of our nail. Now, just brush to the free edge. Dust up lightly, and we'll go higher and wider again. Dust up lightly, apply gel-less base, and repeat the same process. Clean your area and dust underneath the nail. Let's lightly come across the nail with our Sealer Dry. Once that dries, we can now file and shape. Buff around the entire nail. We are now finished and can now start applying whatever designs and colors that inspire us. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Hit the bell icon to get our latest, fastest, and easiest tutorials. Comment below if you have any questions or if there's any other topics you would like us to cover. Bye for now.